Let's dye my hair the ugliest color.
Oh my God.
I want to tell you right now, I am nervous for this video. You guys request a ton of colors for me to try, except for the most part, I have tried a large variety of hair colors. And so right now I'm going through a phase of combining really weird or bizarre colors together because combinations is one thing I haven't really touched upon. At the moment, I have green roots, orange hair, and then blue ends. So we're already not off to a great start. And in an effort to connect much more with you guys who leave a bunch of comments on my videos, I have been going through your suggestions to see what I should try next. Someone decided I should try the world's ugliest color on my hair. I'll be fully honest, I have no idea. I didn't even know there was a world's ugliest color. Oh, wee. Okay, so apparently there was a general consensus at some point that decided what the world's ugliest color is. Pantone 448C. I tend to always be glass half full and I always want to see the best in absolutely everything, and so I refuse to believe that there is a world's ugliest color. This strip of Pantones, however, I can see why it's the world's ugliest color. Look, these... Never mind. Oh my God, it just gets worse. The reason why I think this has been the general consensus world's ugliest color is because every single one of these colors looks like some sort of fluid that can come out of a human body. Nevertheless, today I'm going to be attempting to dye my hair with the world's ugliest color. Okay. In an effort to still make this a super teachable moment, I'm going to show you how to actually create the world's ugliest color, because believe it or not, most hair dye brands and companies do not actively make bodily fluid brown. It's not just brown on its own. It's got green mixed in with it, or yellow, in a way that yellow should not be mixed in with brown. Let's create stuff. So right now, if you were to ask me where the hell bodily fluid brown is on the color wheel, there technically isn't one. The reason for it is because any color that you mix in equal amounts will give you some shade of brown. The reason the color wheel is so important is because if I were to take this color orange mixed with this color blue, it will give me neutral or brown. The same with literally any other color on the wheel. So to show you how wild color theory is, I'm going to take the two most unsuspecting colors from the color wheel to create bodily fluid brown. Never in a million years will you guess which two colors it takes to create this color. I want to actually film this with my phone because I want you guys to see how wild this is going to be. Color theory in action is disgusting. I think I should put out the disclaimer right now that this is the very first time in my career that I'm confidently saying I do not think this is gonna look good. I do not think there's any part of it that's gonna look good. I think this will be exclusively funny. I am really living on the humorous ride at the moment, living out childhood experiments as a 25-year-old adult. We're definitely on the right trajectory. 448 is darker, black into it. The question is, do I want to? Any pigment that I add into this is going to further go into my hair, so I need to be able to live with this color. What? No, I don't think this is gonna look good at all, but I cannot tell you the excitement that I have to try. Let's dye my hair the world's ugliest color. The first time I accidentally mixed yellow with purple, I was shocked. I was shocked because I'm like, there's no way in hell that these two beautiful colors created such a monstrosity. Look at this. That looks Do I need to be censoring this? Is this appropriate? The only reason I am not fussed is because A, my current color is not much better. The colors have now faded to such an extent where they are looking muddy and extremely childlike. Like, it literally looks like I gave a child free rein to design and create this color, and I did, but that child was me. Let's dye my hair. Already a bit kooky. Let's go. Ooh. I just, hold on one second, just. Just in case, I've got a really, really, really pretty wig. If you want, there's literally just one remaining on the Stellari hair website, so if you want an emerald green wig, this linked minus the fringe, but now you know exactly how to do it. I'm gonna link it down below. Look how cute! Oh my god. I'm just thinking to myself how I have a bunch of bank meetings next week that I guess I now have to wear a wig for, which I'm fine with. I happen to have a few. But I also didn't think that this would be the reason why I'm wearing them, you know? I couldn't tell you with the faintest idea what hair color this is gonna be. I have no idea. Here's why I'm actually excited to see this hair color. Whilst I don't think it is going to look great on its own, I am very, very, very excited by the challenge of attempting to make it look good through makeup, accessorizing, and correct styling. Because again, I do think you can make anything look good in the right context. And if this, let's say, ends up khaki green, we can make khaki green work. Like military green, that's a color that people wear even in fashion. This is not what I thought my life would be. The fact that there is vibrant purple in this mix and it absolutely does not show is fascinating. Where's the purple? Where? I think I can confidently say that this will be my worst, ugliest color. I'm actually excited to see it. Roots are looking very much like algae. It is very strong. I can see, however, that across the rest of my hair, there's absolutely no orange left. It did take on, I guess, a brown color, and then on my ends, we still have blue. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna let it process, and then I'm going to hope to find a cute hairstyle and then even cuter makeup look to make this look not terrible. Do you guys have faith in me? Do you think this is gonna look at all decent? Now's your chance to comment it down below before I reveal what I've created. Dyeing your hair with the ugliest color won't actually give you the ugliest color. Don't know if it's just me. It might just be me. But I am loving this so much. I'm noticeably ignoring the fact that my roots are green because I do feel like that ruins the look. It looks like I'm growing out green roots, and I desperately need a touch up. So why does this look good? Why does it look like such a nice colored brown? So here's the gist. Even if we ignore the entire concept of this video, which was literally just dyeing my hair with the ugly color, we can still learn one very important thing, and that is color theory in the most beautifully descriptive visual effect. My hair before was orange. It was orange. It was carrot orange. I went over it with a green toned brown. Green canceled out the orange just enough to leave me with a very gentle golden brown base. Of course, it left everything else green, but it is such a good way to visualize how color theory works and how you can color correct your own hair. Let's say you have a hair dye that went super red or copper, and you weren't going for it, and you're like, what the hell do I do? Do I go over it with brown? Do I go over it with blonde? No, green. It is the secret. The one downside is if your hair is lighter in any other area and it's porous, it will grab onto it and it will look green. So my recommendation first would be apply a conditioner anywhere that is lighter, and then apply the green over any area that is redder. I like it. I don't know what to say. I genuinely like it. I think it looks, it looks like seaweed, but I like it. It looks very siren. I have a vibe going. I have a theme that I'm clearly devoted to, because this to me is giving, it's giving woodland fairy. It's giving algae, but also changing seasons. We're going, it's like a dying tree. So there you are. I am going to be linking the color down below, the dyes that I use. Granted, I don't know if you'll be trying it out, but it's gonna be there as well. I know you guys are wondering about this cute little pixie here. I've been wanting to find a good occasion to wear it, and I think this could not be better. I am going to be linking down below, and you can use this coupon code as well for a quick little discount if you want to get it yourself. How cute is this? It's really not even that bad. I really like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, join the Stella fam, let's learn a thing or two together. Don't forget to shop my wigs if you haven't already. They're going to be linked down below, and you can also use this coupon code if you haven't gotten yourself a human hair wig yet. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Look how cute this is. I think she's super cute. I don't think this is as ugly as we think it is. Naked tutorials. I know you hate green. I know, but consider this. You know, we look good. What is this sound I keep making? It's horrible.